Wow. So hi guys, it's me. Okay, go. Hey everyone, it's me, Jesssel, and you're here back again to my vlog. So everyone, for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup here in my house, in our house, whatever. So yes, so my everyday makeup is just simple. So I'm just gonna use this one. Gosh, this curl line, lip and tint to your cheek, lip tint, whatever. And this one, lip balm, Apollo lip balm. And this curl line also, this is a all face, all oil, ano man basta vlogger. Char, mo kuan. Whatever. So, kuan ni siya guys, oil control face powder. And then this one, the last one is the curl. So yeah, I always use curl because I feel like beautiful when I use this one. Yeah, right? Do you feel like do you think it is true? Then try it. So yeah, So yeah, I'm gonna just use this one. So I'm gonna use this one to my eyeshadow, to my cheeks, and to my lips, and also this one, or just to my cheeks and to my lips. And this one is for my eye bags, and this one for my eyelashes. So without further ado, let's start the video. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I'm also using this one, the Eskinol pimple fighting. So it says here that it dries up pimples in as early as 3 days. Wow, and lightens pimple marks. So if you guys have a pimples, I recommend this to you, the Eskinol, the pimple fighting, because I believe that it is true. I believe that it just like I believe that I believe na English. I believe that what it says here is true. Whatever. So before before I have a pimples here, and I use this one, like I only use this like 2 days, and then after the 2 days my pimples wala na, no more pimples, no more. So yeah, we're gonna use this one even though we don't have pimples, because I just love using this one. So just a little, and you're gonna put to your forehead first. And this said that be gentle to your face, but I don't care. It just depends on your face. So yeah, and also the eyeshadow. Wow. So last month, our teacher in MIL gave us a task, a vlog, and I vlogged about the fashion, which is my everyday makeup. And today I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup. So yeah, just gonna wait to my face. Basta uwi ko na maog ka ba kapoy ba ni English eh. So humanata sa muka sa electric pan uy. So first na akong ibutang is ang lip balm, the Apollo lip balm. So ako siyang ibutang sa akong eyeshadow. So wala ko mirror, na dito akong mirror, very big a mirror. So ano ako magtanaw sa camera. Whatever, simple naman sad ni my everyday simple makeup. Char. So let's go. Ano yan, girl? See the difference? Wow. So you see, it's so nice, right? So I learned this from my sister. I always saw her putting her eyeshadow like this, and I just copy paste because when I copy it, I like it. Whatever. Next here. Oh no, the electric one is so hanging. Don't ruin my video, electric fan. Did you guys see it? I hope you see it. Alright, let's do this. Oh, perfect. Just perfect. Wow. So I like it. Do you guys like it? Because I like it. So after I put here, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Gonna curl my eyelashes, girl. Wow, it's so wow. Oh, I look so beautiful in this lightning. Look at that. My eyes is so, I know, my eyelashes is so beautiful, like me, so beautiful. Wow, aray. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so nato magdugay-dugay pa. Unsa man nagbisaya naman ta. So I'm gonna put this to my lips. Yes, I'm gonna put this to my lips. Just a little. Kay dili ba na ako. Sa kong sister ba yan, huwam ra ko. My God, Tusoy. Okay. I'm gonna put to my cheeks like that. Oh, it's so mini, mini, mo, battle, wow, look at that. My face and my eyeshadow is same color. I mean, my cheeks rather. Sorry. Daghang kay mga judgmental karong adlaw, so we have to be careful. Though people are so judgmental, don't mind them because it's your business and not them. Oh my gosh! I look so pretty, guys! Bisag na ako sa balay. Dapat mapagwapa ta, guys, kay nabay mamalit. Pasinda ay makapangita ta forever sa ato ang customer. Just kidding! Wow. Oh, baka naman dyan, customer. Chor. Nawag na koan. Tinaday, drunk blush. Drunk blush? Okay, naguro na, eh. I don't know. I'm not really, ako ang, oh! So, I'm not really pro sa pag-makeup. So, next is, I'm gonna put this one to my eye bag. So, kita man ninyo, guys, nga dako kayo kong eye bags, diba? So, whatever. Bisag sayo ko matug, guys. Ambot lang anong dako kayo eye bags. Pero, I'm gonna use this, whatever. I'm gonna use the fourth finger. Wow, look at that. I look so pretty. Like Catherine Bernardo. Sure. Just kidding. Like Kendall Jenner. Oh my gosh. I took too much. Whatever. Okay. So, this is so amazing. Look at that. Oh, I look good. Wow, it's so perfect. So perfect, guys. This is so perfect for everyday makeup. Pero I don't know. See? Pat. I look so good. What the? I look pretty. And next is I'm gonna put this one to my cheeks, just what I said before, that I use this to my eyeshadows, to my cheeks, and to my lips. So just like this. Just like this. And the air to the world is away with a little. Yo, we don't need them. Come with me through the dark. With a kita kayo nyo, guys, ni grabe ko ping-ping akong face. And, oh, ako na dyan nag-ibaga, guys, para makita ninyo ba. So, whatever. Kay grabe kang lightning there, guys. Kuan kayo. Wow! I look so, ooh. Oh, mama. Oh my God. Kaklase akong sister guys, yung saba-saba ko guys. Nadungog na to nila akong tingo pero wala, joke ra. So, wow, look at that. My face is so pink and my eyeshadow is so pink. And tuwang na lang guys, akong naong na the whole face na lang dyan akong butang ng pink. So, yeah, so I'm gonna curl again my eyelashes because I'm obsessed of this curler. Ambot lang mo mapalit yung ka ng curl nga ka na as in mo bagga mo mubawag jud ang imong pilok ba kay kapoy kaayo. Like, oh my gosh, I took too much. I took too much in the air through the water right away the needed. Yeah, with the needed. Oh, wow, pop! Pop! Yes! I'm so pretty! Yay! Just kidding. Stress na akong ate there guys. Stress na ako. So, ngayon wala pag ako na sugod ang mga second sem kay kung nagsugod na, wag ko kaingani. So, I'm gonna put again here. Para magtanda na to ang eye bags go away. Klaro kong eye bags guys. So, makita niyo akong eye bags na pwedeng nagwa. So, yeah. So, maputang na ko ani for my lips. Awag guys, kung sa ka perfect. Nabutang na ba ko ani? Oh, yeah. No. Ambot lang. So, I'm gonna reverse it kung nakita na ba, nakabutang na ba ko ani. Angat lang, replay, whatever. Kung nabot nga naman ganin ako, whatever. So, I'm gonna, ako ilong. So, the last one is this one. I'm gonna put again. No, not again. I'm gonna put to my lips. Agang. Yeah, perfect. Perfect for date. Ano ka na ka-date? Dahil summer dahil na, manang February, nata mag-date pa. Pink dye. O, diba? Pak! 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Maranag si Kuan. Si Emma Watson. Yes. Woo! So, guys, muna ako ang makeup routine. I know, my everyday makeup sa mo ang balay. You see that? Am I look good? Am I pretty? Am I gorgeous? Am I beautiful? Yes, I am. I am beautiful inside and out. Char! Kung na bitaw like sa... So guys, muna na ako ang everyday makeup routine. So, mara to guys. O pato dyan ako gamit guys. Ma-origin ni guys. Ang pinaka-favorite na ako kay kanina kay kuha na dyan ni 3 in 1. 3 in 1. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy, if you have some learning to my vlog, what? So, kung namin nakatunan sa pag-makeup, so thank you. Kung wala, thank you gihapon. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope nga nag-enjoy mo ha, balik-balik. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will get notified when I have brand new videos to upload. Okay, so bye-bye! Kung na lang guys, manindot akong ngipon guys. Magwapa rin ko mga guys. Marami rin na ako ang pinakagwapa sa buong kalibutan. Ano, unsa nakabati akong ngipon guys. Pero, gwapa gihapon ko guys. Bisay nga na akong ngipon guys. So, bye-bye!